Hi, hello, good morning. How's your day? I hope you're well. What are you doing right now, gang? Are you sewing? Probably not, because you wouldn't be able to hear this. Unless you are sewing by hand. If you're sewing by hand while you're watching this, please take a pause and let me know. Also, you're a badass. I do not have the patience for hand sewing. Like, it's the same reason I can't ever be an oil painter. Like, no patience. I need instant gratification, you know? Um, yep. Been crying. Been crying all morning because people have said really nice things to me on the internet. It's kind of wild, actually. Like, I don't know, I feel closer to you strangers than I do to people in my own very real life on the day to day. And I appreciate that in this connection more than you will ever know. Bouncing around a little bit right now. What do I do? What am I doing? Okay, it's mundane mornings. Hi, I'm Sami. I am trying to pop on here every single day for 30 days just to see what happens, to see how it goes. I am creating low effort, long form content just to see. Life is an experiment. If you are looking in the background at my mess, that's your problem, not mine. I'm not here to impress you unless you're impressed by clutter. Every day I'm doing these like mundane mornings where I just wander around or sit in my bed and yap for no reason. I've got a bunch of stuff I should be doing right now, but for whatever reason, pacing feels right. So I hope that doesn't make you seasick. I gotta do something with this jacket. One of my sweet friends sent this to me and I'm gonna upcycle it and like make it real quirky and weird. I have this idea of covering it in cats because it's houndstooth, kinda, right? Is this houndstooth? No, it's not. Well, son of a bitch. My idea was to make it cat themed since it was houndstooth. Now I'm realizing it's not houndstooth, so still might make it cat themed. Whatever. I'm chaotic. I move around a lot. I'm a mess. I have ADD. This is who I am. Also, of course, I wasn't diagnosed with ADD until I was in my 30s because our medical system is super cool, and as long as I could hold my shit together and make good grades, nobody cared, and that's fine. Sorry, that's gross. The of the throat. If you want to come over and replant my pots, that would be cool. This is so dumb. This is so dumb. I don't know that I'm gonna make it the whole 30 days. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm struggling to like do this, to both form the habit and also to not find it incredibly embarrassing and cringeworthy. But I always say, embrace the cringe. It's just hard when it's you, you know? It's like how you can give advice to your friends, or you could go to your friend's house and clean, but then you look at your own mess and you're like, no, that mountain of boxes is totally acceptable. It's totally fine. And honestly, it is, because we mostly use these to ship. It's just like, why would I put it in literally the centermost point of the downstairs of our home? Why wouldn't I? This morning, I have to get in gear. I've got to run down to my friend Casey's shop, Suede Vintage. She's one of my favorite humans on the planet. Just a good person with a great eye for vintage, and she's so motivated. She's so ambitious. I am constantly seeing her doing like new endeavors, new partnerships. I love her. But before I start work today, I have to run down there because she's having a big Elvis event because it's Elvis week and we're all shook up. We've got a collection of Elvis shirts that we're gonna bring to the shop. So I'm gonna run those down there. Stop by Suede Vintage this week if you're in Memphis, or next week, or the 13th, whenever. We got a bunch of stuff there. She'll have a bunch of stuff there. Rattlesnake Betty, another dear friend, will have her things there. Rattlesnake Betty makes art that is pure whimsy. It is all of your childlike wonder and joy rolled into some cool ass glittery art. It's great. I love her. She has one of my Snoopy shirts and it looks so cute on her. Okay, so I have to do that. And that's like a 20-30 minute drive. So then I got to go back, get to work. And then maybe I'll check back in with you. I don't know. Maybe I'll show you her shop when I get down there. That's a possibility. Okay, I love you. See you soon. Just me and my precious cargo. I fucking love Casey so much. I think I probably mentioned that already. Look at this necklace that I got from her shop. I don't even smoke. It's so freaking good. So August 13th is Elvis's death day. People get real into that here in Memphis, and her shop is loaded up with incredible, delightful, whimsical, and weird Elvis shit right now. You will love it, probably, if you love Elvis or Elvis adjacent things. I had a million ideas for things I wanted to make, but ran out of time. So I'm just gonna start making them now for the next Elvis week that'll pop up in January. Gotta go. Checking the mail, and I got a package. I'm so excited. My friends at Grabby sent me some gifts. And let me tell you about them. Okay, first of all, this is a workbook, and it says, Let Your Feelings Flow, a workbook for understanding and navigating emotions. Perfect timing, because this may surprise you. Been having a lot of emotions lately. I could use a little help navigating them. And it has an activity to do every day. And I think maybe I'll do these activities with you guys. What do you think? They also sent me 100 watercolors, which is conveniently the exact amount of watercolors I needed. And I am going to use these to help me do some concepting for my upcoming fashion show that I've talked about. That is happening at Taco's Secondhand at the end of September. So you can imagine the month of September is going to be all making all the time. Oh my gosh, look how great these are. Okay, we got 10 sheets of paper, excellent. Instructions on how to use the pen or the brush. And all of these gorgeous colors. Important question, can I wear these as makeup? Because I feel like it would be good makeup. I love this box. Okay, I'm really excited to play with these. Also, I freaking love this company. They came to be because everyone was depressed during COVID, and they wanted to find a way to make people feel nice inside again. And I think they've nailed it, because what better way to feel better than to create some stuff? Thank you so much. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Thank you, boy. Oh, you're an angel. Hi, hello. You're gonna grab yourself a rectangle. You're gonna fold it over like a third maybe, then you're gonna fold it in half this way. You are gonna snip this corner, and you're gonna snip about halfway through here on both layers, and you'll end up with a thing like this. You'll fold this part in half, and you'll do zoop, zoop. Then you'll fold this part over here, and this part over here, and you'll zoop those two layers together, and then you'll zoop across here, and what do you have? You have a zero waist jacket. I'm so proud of you. You did it. You have to be kidding me. I just recorded like the longest video of my life, and it was not recording. Such is life. Anyway, been a long day. Glad you hung out. You're a delight. You're beautiful. You're nice. You're kind, and you're here. I am sleepy. Once I got back and got all of my cool stuff opened this morning and took care of DJ and got to my work office, same kitchen table where I sew. It's just been like crazy busy since. My sweet daughter ordered Chipotle for us. My sweet husband made me some potatoes, and I am happy. I'll be back tomorrow. It won't be this like weird vlog thing I've been doing probably. Maybe I'll like actually do something meaningful. We'll see. We'll see what it is. Who knows what tomorrow could bring. I love you. Thanks for being here. A-do-do-do. A-do-do-do-do-do-do. Thanks for wasting your time with me. Waste more time by liking and subscribing and watching another video. Thanks.